Hey Sue,
Hey Rob.
great race on Sunday.
So fun.
It was. But as we both saw, one person at the end came in and they had rolled their ankle on the trail,
Yeah,
which happens quite a bit.
yeah,
It's really a problem also in the obstacle course races. So,
absolutely. So one thing I think is super important to consider is how supple and mobile the foot is.
right.
For most of us, our feet are essentially like bricks. They're casted in footwear all day long, day after day, year after year. And the foot was meant to be multi-axial. There's 26 bones, 33 joints for a reason. So that if you come across something unstable, which you'll find in a trail run or
Yeah.
obstacle course, that the body can adapt. So you want to make sure that you keep that suppleness. Rolling out the foot with the tennis ball, it's just the way to do it.
Wonderful tip. Happy trails.
Happy trails.